Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1, 2-quart mini air fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1, 2-quart mini air fryer is a compact air fryer that offers multiple cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and reheating. It has a 2-quart capacity, which is suitable for cooking for 1 to 2 people. The air fryer uses hot air to cook food, which creates crispy and golden results without the need for excess oil. Some of the features of the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1, 2-quart mini air fryer include a digital touchscreen with 7 preset cooking programs, adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and a timer with automatic shutoff. It also comes with a basket and tray that are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. According to customer reviews, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1, 2-quart mini air fryer is a great option for those who want a compact air fryer that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Customers appreciate its ease of use and the fact that it cooks food quickly and evenly. Some customers have noted that the air fryer can be a bit noisy, but this is not a major issue for most people. Overall, the Instant Pot Vortex 4-in-1, 2-quart mini air fryer seems to be a solid choice for those who want a small and versatile air fryer for their kitchen. Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT is a larger air fryer that can cook for families of up to 5 people. It has a 5-quart capacity and offers a range of cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, and more. It has a digital touchscreen that is easy to use and offers 13 preset cooking programs to help you cook a variety of foods. One of the unique features of the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT is its shake reminder function. This feature reminds you to shake the basket periodically during the cooking process to ensure even cooking and optimal results. It also has a temperature range of 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer that can be set for up to 60 minutes. According to customer reviews, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT is a reliable and efficient air fryer that offers consistent results. Customers appreciate the large capacity of the air fryer and the fact that it can cook a variety of foods quickly and easily. The shake reminder feature is also a popular feature, as it ensures that food is cooked evenly without having to constantly monitor the cooking process. Some customers have noted that the air fryer can be a bit noisy during operation, but this is a minor issue for most people. Overall, the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE 5QT seems to be a great choice for families or individuals who want a versatile and efficient air fryer for their kitchen. Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to cook food using hot air instead of oil, which can reduce the fat content of your meals. With a capacity of 5.5 quarts, this air fryer can cook enough food for a family of 4. It also has a range of cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, reheating, and dehydrating. Customers have generally been pleased with the performance of the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. Many reviewers have praised its large capacity and versatility, allowing them to cook a wide range of foods with ease. The air fryer also has a sleek and stylish design that looks good on the countertop. However, some customers have noted that the air fryer can be difficult to clean, particularly the bottom tray, which can accumulate grease and food debris. Some reviewers have also experienced issues with the non-stick coating, which can peel or scratch over time. Overall, the Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer seems to be a good option for those looking to cook healthy meals without sacrificing flavor. However, it may require some extra effort to keep it clean and maintain the non-stick coating. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that allows you to cook a variety of foods using air fry, roast, broil, bake, and reheat functions. It has a 6-quart capacity, which is large enough to cook for a family of 4. One of the most notable features of this air fryer is its 7-in-1 functionality, which means you can use it for multiple cooking tasks. It comes with a range of accessories, including a drip tray, cooking tray, and rotisserie spit, which makes it easy to cook different types of food. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer is also easy to use. It has a simple digital control panel with preset cooking functions that allow you to cook your food with just one touch. The cooking basket and accessories are dishwasher safe, which makes cleaning up after cooking a breeze. Customers have praised the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer for its versatility, ease of use, and fast cooking times. They have also noted that the food comes out crispy and evenly cooked, and that it's a healthier alternative to deep frying. However, some users have reported that the air fryer can be noisy during operation and that the cooking basket can be difficult to remove from the unit. Additionally, the size of the unit may be too large for smaller kitchens. Overall, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer is a versatile and easy-to-use kitchen appliance that can cook a variety of foods with minimal effort. While it may have some minor drawbacks, it's a popular choice among customers who are looking for a healthier way to cook their favorite foods. Presto 05420 Frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer. The Presto 05420 Frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer is a popular choice for home deep frying. It has a compact design and a 4-cup capacity that can cook up to 4 servings of food. The Frydaddy has a non-stick surface, making it easy to clean up, and it also features a built-in thermostat that automatically maintains the temperature of the oil, ensuring that your food is cooked evenly. One of the biggest advantages of the Frydaddy is its simplicity and ease of use. It is very easy to set up and start using right away. Additionally, the Frydaddy's compact size makes it easy to store in small kitchens, and it is also lightweight, making it easy to move around as needed. However, there are some potential downsides to consider. Some reviewers have noted that the Frydaddy's non-stick surface can wear off after extended use, which can make cleaning more difficult. Additionally, some users have reported that the Frydaddy's small size can be a disadvantage, as it may not be suitable for larger families or for cooking large amounts of food at once. Overall, the Presto 05420 Frydaddy Electric Deep Fryer is a convenient and easy-to-use option for those looking to deep fry food at home. Its compact size and built-in thermostat make it a good choice for small kitchens, but its smaller capacity may not be ideal for everyone.